Lifeleet. What is a Lifeleet? It is somebody who wakes up every day and makes a conscious effort to make their health and life better. Today I want to talk to you about low plank position. My question to you, do you pray in low plank? I don't mean, please let me make it through this. I mean, do you put your hands in prayer position when you are in low plank? You are in plank whether you're on your knees or your toes. When you are in low plank, the proper position is elbows lined up underneath your shoulders and hands directly out from those elbows, right here. What I mean by praying in plank is putting your hands together so you're in this position. The other thing is, eyes are out and they're not down here. The reason it is important that you don't hand pray in plank is it takes your shoulders, watch, here's plank. Now you're going to do this and you're going to bring all that in and you're going to crunch all that into your shoulders. Stop praying in plank. Get your hands apart, get your elbows under your shoulders, get those abs in and your eyes out, and you will be a better Lifeleet.